everybody, this is Dane. Want to show you the big tiny. Lots of people asking about the big tiny. Luxury styled tiny home here. So this house is 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 660 square feet. Comes with the Rheem hybrid heat pump and water heater. Of course, you're going to get the stainless steel package. And if you notice, they've started using the Samsung appliances, which are really nice. Everybody's been really pleased with them. You got the LED lighting throughout the house, the ecobee smart thermostat, next gen insulation, solar panel ready. This is a luxury class, 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Let's go back here and check this out. Oh, look at these cabinets on the inside. Nice window over the sink there. I like how on the island here you've got your outlet. If you come around here, you can have 2 seats on either side, so easily seat 4 people there. You could have your full stack, not a stack, but a side-by-side washer dryer. So whatever type of washer dryer you want to put in here. I like how they have the main cutoff for your water inside, which that's always nice. And then this bathroom is a neat setup. I like this because you come in right from the back door. Good sized shower. Little benches inside it, that's always nice. You notice it's fully taped and textured walls. Really large closet in here. It's got the light up there. That's good. Lino throughout. Easy to keep clean. Nice fan in the bedroom. Oh, it has the big hot water heater. That's the big one. Yeah, that's awesome. It's got the nice double pane argon gas windows. Oh, look here. Already built in from the factory. your window treatments. That makes it nice. Another ceiling fan. The one thing I noticed here is this is super quiet, really well insulated. So you're not going to have to worry about the hidden mortgage, the big electric bill on some of the other models. People told me they have a real big electric bill. This one is really well insulated. Let's try to see how much they got this one priced at. Let's take a look. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, 660 square feet. All tape and textured. Looks like you can get it delivered and set up in the 79 range. With all the new appliances.